welcome. It's Cube. I'm here on a gorgeous sunny day to do some acrylic pouring. I'm working on this 12 by 8. I have got some fairly thick paints and I want to see what I get in a really nice colourful flip cut pour. So I'm going to kind of do the flip and lip and see what we get. I'm just going to play it by ear and see. So these are quite thick. So I've got the white. This is just acrylic pouring fun in the sun. And I've got purple. So I'm just going to swirl it in. And I've got a really nice bright fluoro orange. So I'll put that in as well. I'm going to swirl it in. So I'm hoping this don't turn to mud. We might go back to the white again. I have got absolutely no silicone in these paints and I have got no Floetrol. I've only got my pouring medium. So wish me luck. So that's the cool red and we'll go to the gold. So this should give it some shimmer through there. So the gold. I might go to the cool blue. Like I said, it's just going to be a mix of all these beautiful bright colours. Vibrant. And let's see what we get. Back to the fluoro orange. And we'll pop some more of the purple. Such a nice, bright, cheerful colour. Back to the red. Just layering your cup as you do. And then back to the gold. Fun and therapy all at the same time. Back to the white. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat my canvas just with the white around, so I've got something to slide the colours around on. So that's just a nice easy process. Going to just use this offset spatula and just do the nice process which I actually like and find relaxing, is just coating your canvas. So it's really, yeah, it's quite therapeutic just doing this. It's just like icing a cake. I'm not going to worry about the sides of my canvas because some of the paints will tip over the sides, and you can also finish the edges afterwards. So that's nice and easy, lemon squeezy. Winner winner, chicken dinner. Rightio. Do I just flip it or should I'll actually flip. Now this is quite thick paint, so I haven't got a pin or something. You could tell you what I could heat up. I'm gonna heat up the end of this push pin, the metal, to push a hole through this, so it allows the paint to fall to the bottom. So don't get your fingers too close. It's hot. Also burst the air bubbles. And we'll see if it works to push the pin through. Let me turn that dryer off. Yep, it's gone through. That's good. I suppose I could try it through the side as well. Oh no, I'm getting too much now. I'm getting too eager. So, oh my goodness, look at those beautiful colours. Wowzers, trousers. Look at the colours, that is beautiful. Let me see. Would really like to do in those colours a somebody has pinched my spatula, I'm going to just put a little bit of, look, that's getting cells regardless, but I'm going to put a little bit of the black paint that I have with Floetrol in it to see if just doing a swipe through this as well. Oh, okay. Wow, look at those colours come up. Look at those. Now I'll do the tilt. So that's already put some sort of a different effect in it. Just tilt it around. You could put it on a spinner if you so wished. Look at that effect with the beautiful cells there. See, this is much thicker paint, so it is taking a while to move, but that's absolutely fine. So these are just my global impasto colours, just acrylic impasto paint with my homemade pouring medium, and it's all in the description below my video. I actually think I'd like to leave a little bit of the white showing because I think that's lovely. I can always finish off the white with my spatula, and I can also add a little bit of interest with my skewer going through it. Even through there would probably be pretty nice. That is such lovely colour, and it's really glistening because it's got the metallic gold in it. Beautiful. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this close up because it's so much more to see. Just look at these gorgeous gems in here. They really do look sparkling, just like gems. And the colours turned out really lovely. That orangey went a bit weird, I guess. But it's still got something like a lava ignited effect in it. So it is still quite very attractive. But yeah, the colours are beautiful. The effects in it. Down here, look at these. It's gorgeous, like little champagne cells popping up now. So yeah, the whole thing, I was really pleased with that. So I hadn't done a flip and lip in those thicker, brighter colours for a while. So enjoyed that, and hope you do too. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, please join me again. Bye for now.